You see, troubles will always come. Troubles will always arise in a marriage. But the problem is not that we have problem. It is how the problems are dealt with that make all the difference. And so when you plan to get married, remember this, that it begins with your singleness. For it is who you are as a single person that you take into marriage. There is no magic wand that is wielded at the altar. You don't become a marriage partner, great husband or wife, by walking to the altar, no more than you become a motor car by walking to the garage. And so it begins in singleness. Did you know it is a great single that makes a great marriage partner? Did you know that 95% of the issues that occur in marriage did not originate in the marriage? They were brought into the marriage from our singleness. 95%. And so we look well to who we are as singles. And this is why we have premarital counseling. For we must assess the fitness of people for marriage. Amen. And so we look well to our singleness. For when it comes to having problem in marriage, did you know, friends, that you can determine whether a person will divorce later with a 95% accuracy even before they get married? Oh, Pastor, how do you do that? Oh, yes. Do you know how we do that? You first observe how they resolve conflicts today. For in marriage, you will have conflicts. So your ability to resolve conflicts effectively will determine, to a large extent, the effectiveness of your marriage.